What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another mini Primark haul for you guys. I've actually done a autumn Primark haul already, I think last month, and you guys always like my Primark hauls and I love filming them because I mean, let's be honest, I get to go to Primark and do a bit of shopping. So I basically went in and I picked up a massive bag of things. It actually looks like way more than it is because all of the things in there are kind of like big items. Because seeing as it is autumn and winter, you kind of tend to buy a lot more things that are really bulky and warm. So I just stocked up on a bunch of jumpers and also a couple of coats. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I bought. If you guys enjoy my Primark hauls, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up just down below. And also don't forget to hit the bell button down below to stay notified of every time I post a new video. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys that I picked up is honestly the coolest thing I have ever seen at Primark, and it is a Gryffindor Harry Potter jumper. So they actually have Gryffindor and they also have Slytherin. So I had to pick up both. Even though I'm part of Gryffindor, I just really love Slytherin as well. I'm actually interested to know what house you guys are in. If you are in Gryffindor or Slytherin or any of the other ones, let me know down below. So yeah, these are just so cute, and I got this in a size medium because I wanted that more of a casual slouchy sort of look, and I just love the colors of it. Like, I love Harry Potter so much, and yeah, it's got like the burgundy color of the house, it's got the yellow stripe going through it, which is so cute. It's honestly really not that cold at the moment, but I'm already freezing. Is that just me? Let me know in the comments if you guys get really cold as well. Like, I literally am the most frozen person there is. So the next thing I got is another jumper, big surprise. So this is actually a jumper dress. I actually saw this jumper being dumped randomly and I just picked it up and it happened to be my size, so I was like, okay, this is meant to be. So this is basically like a navy long slouchy kind of jumper dress, I guess. It's just got these really cool red stripes going down all the way, and I really like the sleeves because they're kind of like cinched in. They're a little bit of like a bell sleeve, but not too much, and I just really liked how relaxed and casual this was, so I picked this up, and this was actually £13, which again is not bad at all. The next item I picked up is another top. Now this is kind of more of a shirt. It's got a really cool like plaid sort of pattern all over it. I really loved the color scheme. I feel like it's so autumnal. This was only £10 as well, and I feel like you could totally just dress this up or dress it down with maybe some like thigh-high boots or maybe even some jeans. I'm not really one to wear shirts like this very often. I'm sure you guys know from my Instagram that I don't really wear things like this very often, but I honestly just wanted to give it a go and see if I can rock it because I see so many people on Instagram wearing outfits like this and I'm always like, damn, that's really cool. I feel like I got quite a few dresses in this haul. I feel like dresses and like thigh-high boots or like tights is so cool for autumn. So I picked up this dress. Now this one is very different for my style. I don't own many things like this in my wardrobe at all, but it's basically like a velvet green sort of dress. It's kind of like a skater dress shape. I don't really know my dresses, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of got this in mind of like Christmas Eve. I know I'm already talking about Christmas, I'm sorry, but I just get so excited about holidays. So I got this kind of thinking about Christmas Eve and that maybe I could wear it for, you know, Christmas Day or Christmas Eve, because honestly this color just kind of spoke to me. It's literally like a Christmas tree in a dress. Oh, and this was £13, which again, isn't really a lot. I feel like a lot of things that I got were £13. So yeah, this is definitely a really cool one that I'm gonna add to my dress collection. Now the next item I got is a coat, more of like a jacket for winter. Now honestly this, when I saw it, I was kind of thinking to myself, how is this at Primark? Like, this honestly looks like Topshop quality. And this is it. It's basically just like a long camel coat. It's got actual pockets inside, which I'm very pleased about because I love just like putting my pockets in, especially because my hands get so cold. And it's also got this faux fur kind of collar, which you can actually take off, which is amazing. I just felt like this was so cute, and I've been loving like this sort of nude color recently. I feel like it's so on trend, and it's always been on trend really. Like, it's just one of those colors that's like timeless, so I feel like I would definitely get a lot of use out of a coat like this. I also really like the fact that the shape of it is super straight and it just goes all the way down, and it's not too long as well. This was actually £25, which I feel like is a bargain for a coat like this because most coats that look like this, especially on like online websites and even in shops, are so expensive. Like, literally coats are so expensive. So when I saw this, I was like, £25, that's a bargain. So for the next next item, I picked up a knit jumper, kind of like a sweater. I love the cable knit design on it. I just felt like it was really casual, but also really warm and relaxed, and I love that kind of thing. If I could live in a jumper like this every day, I honestly would, because it's the most coziest and comfortable things ever. So this was actually £13, which is amazing for a jumper this thick as well. I love the fact that it's got really long sleeves, and it's also quite long, which I like because it'll mean that it'll cover up your bum if you want to wear like leggings with it or something. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a huge staple in my wardrobe. Now for the next item, I have another dress. Now this is again not really my style. You guys are going to be like, Roxy, are you okay? But honestly, I have just been really liking kind of stepping out of my comfort zone and wearing things that are kind of different to my usual style, because let's be honest, we all get bored with like wearing the same old thing. So I got this dress right here. It's a little bit more smart for me. Like I always wear really casual things, but I felt like, you know, I kind of need things that are gonna dress me up for the occasion. So I saw this and I was like, that's the one. So it's basically just like a long shirt dress, I guess. It's got a really nice white collar at the top, and I really like the color and the pattern of it. It's kind of like a dark gray with a white stitching all the way down. It kind of just looks like stripe, but it is more of a stitch. So I got this in a size 10. It was £10. I feel like you just can't go wrong with things like that, and it's a really nice basic again that you could really dress up. For the next item, I have another jumper. Now this is in a really nice vibrant yellow color. I actually already own this, but in white. I'm sure you guys have seen it in previous videos before. But yeah, this is a really nice yellow color, and I just love how like fuzzy and warm this is. This again was £10. I got this in a size S, but it is kind of oversized, which I really like because I kind of feel like you're just getting a big old hug. Now for the next item, I picked up a pair of shoes and also an accessory to go with the shoes because I really liked the color. So these are the shoes. I love this like petrol blue sort of color. These were £14, which is so inexpensive for boots like this. These are also really comfortable. I tried them on the store and they were honestly so nice. I don't really know what type of shoe this is. I would say they're kind of like walking boot style, but I don't know. I mean, I'm so bad at like styles of shoes. I don't really know what they're all called. And then I also got a little bobble hat that is literally the same color as the boots, which I felt like would be so cute paired together. And this was only £2. I honestly love their bobble hats and scarves. They always have like the best selection of colors, and the little bobble is so soft on the end. And the very last item that I got is another coat. Now this one is a little bit extra for me, but I honestly just loved it. I had to get it. It's basically like a massive long teddy bear coat. I have been loving these teddy bear coats. If you watched my previous Primark haul, I basically got one like this, but a lot shorter. It was more of like a jacket, and it was a light cream color, but it was the same sort of texture, and it's honestly so warm. I wear it every day, and this was basically £30, which when I saw this, I was like, that should be so much more than £30 because it's just so long and big, and like it's got pockets. The ultimate winner for me, it's got pockets. So yeah, when I put this on, I'm honestly just gonna feel like a massive teddy bear, and I have no regrets because this is just so cozy. So that is everything that I picked up from Primark this time. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little haul. I feel like it was a little bit smaller than my usual ones. I didn't actually pick up as many things. I had some self-control this time. Let me know which one of these items was your favorite, and if you're gonna pop into Primark, let me know what your local Primark is, and is it big? Because my one's kind of small. I go to the one sometimes in Oxford, sometimes in Banbury. I'm kind of like in between. Oh, the Milton Keynes one is really good too. Yes, let me know which one of those items was your favorite. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up just down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Come and join the dinosaur family. But that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.